The COVID-19 pandemic has been a really tricky time for the motorsport industry and businesses all around the world. But together with the guys at Driven International, who I've been working with on circuit designs across Asia and North America primarily, we've realized we have to carry on working. We have to try and deliver these drawings and these projects and the circuits on time. So we've seen the lockdown period as really an opportunity to streamline the way we work and communicate. So I've got my driver in loop set up at home, simulator set up at home, and that's coordinating with the guys who are based remotely in their own offices. You can give them a wave, in their own offices and homes around the country. So what we've done is found a way where they send me a track model, I drive a few laps and give them live feedback. They then take that information. It could be things like the corner radius, it could be where the barriers are placed. Until you drive it for real life on track or in the sim, it's quite hard to perhaps visualize all of these things. Sometimes it could even just be the camber in the road needs a bit of altering. So it really goes from a range of big circuit changes to smaller ones.
So the areas where we've got to move runoff slightly, Karun, is turn 1, barriers back by 7 meters, which we've done already.
Okay.
So we moved the apex slightly forward by 4 meters and the barriers back 3 meters.
Because ultimately we want to deliver tracks that are both safe, but also they have to be enjoyable to drive. So, I can give them some feedback. They then look at the FIA rules that they can make the changes to work. And then after that, plug it into a new track model, send that back over. We're lucky with the driver in loop. We have multiple car models. So this particular track we're working on today is really designed for track days. So I'm in a Porsche track day car, just experiencing it to see what it's like on this. But there are other tracks we do which are for racing in other categories. So we've got car models for Formula 3 cars, Formula 2, Formula 1, sports cars, all sorts of different car models that we can use to really evaluate the circuits as best we can and carry on working throughout this lockdown period. Ultimately, we want to make sure that the world is full of tracks that are fast, enjoyable, and safe for everyone driving them.